hook. Did you know that the DIY electronics market is growing by over 25% each year? Whether you're building robots, smart home devices, or custom gadgets, having the right tools is the key to success. The right tools can make the difference between a project that works flawlessly and one that never quite gets off the ground. So, what are the essential tools for DIY electronics projects? What should you have in your toolkit to ensure you're prepared for any challenge? Let's find out. Stick around as we dive into the must-have tools for every DIY electronics enthusiast. Introduction. Welcome to our channel. If you love tinkering with electronics, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to explore the ultimate electronics kit tools every DIY enthusiast needs. These tools will not only make your projects easier, but also more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your skills, these tools will make your projects easier, faster, and more fun. Let's get started. Presentation of problem challenge. One of the biggest challenges DIYers face is knowing which tools are essential. With so many options available, it can be hard to know where to begin. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the variety of options out there. You might find yourself wondering, do I really need all these tools? Not having the right tool for the job can slow you down, lead to frustrating mistakes, or even cause your project to fail. Imagine trying to complete a project only to realize you're missing a crucial tool. Have you ever tried to solder without a steady hand or test a circuit without a multimeter? It's not fun. These tools are essential for precision and accuracy. Let's avoid those headaches by diving into the essential tools you really need. Having a well-organized toolkit can save you time and effort. Exploration and development. First on our list is the soldering iron, an absolute must for joining electronic components. A good soldering iron can make all the difference in your projects. Opt for one with adjustable heat settings to avoid damaging sensitive parts. This feature allows you to work on a variety of components without worrying about overheating them. Next, the multimeter. This versatile tool lets you measure voltage, current, and resistance, crucial for diagnosing any circuit. A multimeter is like the Swiss Army knife of electronics tools. Breadboards and jumper wires come next. These tools are essential for prototyping and testing your circuits before making them permanent. They make prototyping circuits a breeze without the need for soldering. You can quickly and easily test different configurations. And don't forget wire strippers. They ensure clean wire ends for solid connections. Clean connections are crucial for reliable performance. Tools like tweezers and helping hands provide the precision needed for working with tiny components. These tools can help you handle small parts with ease. And finally, heat shrink tubing with a hot air gun offers professional insulation for your wires. This not only protects your connections, but also gives your projects a polished look. Climax key moment. Here's a personal story. Let me share an experience that highlights the importance of having the right tools. I once spent hours troubleshooting a circuit that wouldn't power on. It was incredibly frustrating and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. Turns out, my wiring was a mess because I didn't have the right wire strippers. The connections were poor and the circuit couldn't function properly. After getting the proper tools, I rewired everything and my project worked perfectly. It was a huge relief and a valuable lesson. It's amazing how much having the right tools can improve your project outcomes. The right tools can save you time, reduce frustration, and lead to better results. In fact, studies show that using quality tools can reduce errors in DIY electronics by up to 40%. Investing in good tools is worth it in the long run. Conclusion summary. So, to recap, your essential DIY electronics toolkit includes a soldering iron, multimeter, breadboard, jumper wires, wire strippers, tweezers, helping hands, and heat shrink tubing with a hot air gun. These tools will equip you to handle a wide range of projects with confidence. With these tools, you'll be ready to take on any project. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, having the right tools is essential. What are your favorite electronics tools? Let me know in the comments below. Sharing your experiences can help others in the community. Call to action. What are your favorite electronics tools? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is valuable and can help others make informed decisions. And if you're ready to dive deeper into DIY projects, check out our next video on advanced electronics techniques. We have plenty of tips and tricks to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content.